Bitcoin price analysis. The long tail on Bitcoin's May 12 candlestick shows that the bulls are aggressively buying the dips to the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Buyers will try to push the price back into the triangle but may face stiff resistance from the bears. The downsloping 20-day exponential moving average, $27,959, and the relative strength index below 41 indicate that bears have a slight edge. If the price turns down from the 20-day EMA, the bears will again attempt to sink the BTC, USDT pair below $25,250. If they can pull it off, the selling may intensify and the pair could crash to $20,000. On the upside, the bulls will have to clear the hurdle at the resistance line to regain control. The pair may then retest the overhead resistance at $31,000. After facing stiff resistance at the 2-0 EMA, the bulls have cleared the obstacle. This indicates that the bulls are trying to seize control. The pair may first climb to the 50 simple moving average and then to $28,400. On the contrary, if the price turns down sharply from the current level, it will suggest that the bears are trying to flip the support line of the triangle into resistance. The pair may then plunge to the crucial support at $25,250.